Is the Wi-Fi not working on a TCL Roku TV lately? If it's not connecting, keeps disconnecting, maybe it shows a network failure error along with all this, or your content just keeps loading forever, this video will show you several quick fixes that may solve this problem. So first, we're going to perform the cardinal troubleshoot, a cold boot. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in. And along with that, if possible for you, just go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Just plug it out, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it in back. Now, especially if your TV is showing a weak Wi-Fi signal, like in our case, try moving your router closer to the TV or just remove any obstacles between them. Now, if the issue still isn't fixed, we're going to go to the left side panels, to Settings, then to System. From there, scroll down to Advanced System Settings, to Network Connection Reset. Please note that this will delete your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you got that. And next, select Reset Connection. Your TV will restart and reset its network settings. Now, since this removes your saved Wi-Fi network, make sure to reconnect your TV to your Wi-Fi once it powers back on. If your Wi-Fi is working but the content still isn't loading, an incorrect date and time setting could be the cause. So from Settings once again to System, now we're going to go to Time Zone, and make sure it's set to automatic according to your current location. Now, you can also manually select the correct time zone by yourself for your location. If the problem is still caused by a temporary software glitch, you can also try a hidden wireless menu. So make sure you're on your home screen, grab your remote and press these buttons. Home 5 times, then up, down, and up. This will open the wireless secret screen, and here you'll see the glitch rate. Now don't mind errors, which is showing 0, but yours may display a different value. So from this menu, we can select Reset and reset the wireless driver. Now this restarts your TV's Wi-Fi hardware and software without deleting your apps or personal data. When it's done, just press Cancel or the home button on your remote to exit. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the Wi-Fi not working issue on your TCL Roku TV. Thanks for your time.